kind of put a board by a couple pieces of tubing. Hi, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna make this piece, at least try to, out of, I don't know if you can see it, but the inner fender from the passenger side, I think we're gonna use, it might be the driver's side, I'm not sure. But the big piece of metal we didn't use because we cut off the end of it. We're gonna cut that up and hopefully put a bend in it. I don't have any gas to heat it up, so probably just gonna put it in a vise and just beat it over till it bends. Then I'm gonna clamp it, get my brace. We're gonna work on that too, getting the brace level. Probably put a jack under it and a couple of concrete cylinders and jack it up from the transmission tunnel like we did on the passenger side to level the brace out, going from the transmission tunnel to the door. It's already pretty level from side to side. We'll get that level, that way we know exactly how long this needs to be for sure, which, I mean, I cut it, so it should be about that long. But that'll give us a good base to base off of the new one I make sure it's level from front to back. And then once we get that, we'll mark it, then we'll recut it, reclamp it, and then tack it, hopefully, is my plan tonight. And to build that little piece that we need to build going to the new patch we put in. The main thing is there'll be a lot of cutting. Hopefully we can make this evening. Be nice if we get tacked in too, but we'll see how far we get. Like I said, it's gonna take a little bit longer than I anticipated. So let's get over there and I'll kind of show you what the detail, what the plan is tonight. All right, so basically I'm gonna start from here, get this piece roughly about where it's going. I'm probably gonna take it pretty far so I know we'll have enough, and just cut strip out straight off here up, and plenty big enough so we'll have enough metal to bend and whatnot. That's to make this piece. And once we have it, I'm gonna come in here and get my clamps and clamp it a few spots. And then I got a new level to go from here to the brace, which the brace needs to be level from the transmission tunnel out to the door. Right now it's, I want to show you. Right now you can tell it's leaning, it's a little high on this end. So we need to put the jack it up here, leave the bolt in it, and hopefully that'll bring the level more in the middle. But from side to side, it's pretty good. I mean, I can live with that. But yeah, just figure we need to get this level first before we try to put this flange on here, so we know that the floor is going to sit level. I think first thing I'm going to do is mess with the brace a little bit, see if we can't get that better. If we can, we'll just leave the jack under it for now and do all of our stuff we need to do before we start welding in the pan. And once we get this level, we'll try to make this piece. Go ahead and make this little piece here. Let's go ahead and start working on this, and maybe we can get this level. Well, don't feel like we accomplished much tonight, but we did get the brace. It's pretty level. This back there's kind of sketchy. I'll go ahead and show you. Kind of put a board by a couple pieces of tubing, and it seems to be holding. So, and that gives us level on the brace that way, and it's still pretty level that way. And this is gonna have to be cut again to make it level from side to side and front to back. And we made that little piece right there, which I think that turned out pretty well. And I think I just wanted to look at something. Okay. Because with that new piece we built in, we're gonna have a gap right here. But I assume that will be covered by the pan. So you can see, be like that kind of. And the pan will sit on this part and bump up against that part. So this should be covered once this is in, hopefully. Feel productive, but not a lot I got accomplished. Well, I think that'll do it for me tonight. Like I said, we it's kind of fiddly stuff. Got that patch in, made the bend in the sheet metal. Just need to do, like I said, final trim, and then we can tack that in. Hopefully my gaps aren't too big, but I may try to just tack the ones that are close together, then try my welding spoon again and see if I can't get that to work. But brace is level, happy with that. Bronco kind of moaned and groaned as I was jacking up from underneath the transmission tunnel. Need to check the level on the dash next time and tack the piece we made in. I'm going to stitch weld it all the way across. Don't want to jinx myself, but I think I got pretty good getting better at it. And then if we get that in, then we'll check our measurements, make sure we got 17 from the bottom of the dash to the floor. And if we get that, then we're ready to put the pan in. We still got to notch the pan and probably nip the corners and kind of, massage it into place. And then we can go ahead and drill some spot weld holes or punch spot weld holes along the edges and tech screw it in and start welding up. And once that's in, we'll deal with the inner rocker, and then the kick panel finally will go in, and hopefully this side will be complete. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, I post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.